Hi, today is the 13th of September and the time has come to have a look at the Nifty once again. Now this is the Nifty daily chart, and in the daily chart we were tracing a 5-wave move here from this low, which is the wave 5 of 3. So this is 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. In the wave 5 we got 5 waves to be counted, and this was 1, this was 2, then this was the third wave which finished over here, and the fourth came down. Now let's look at this price action in detail. It is interesting to see that this wave 2 was sideways while the fourth wave is a sharp zigzag. Now let us look at this wave 4 on the hourly chart and see how it looks. So now this is the Nifty 1 hourly chart, and as you can see, it's made a nice A, B and C zigzag where A wave was exactly equal to the C wave. Secondly, it was contained in parallel lines and it hit the bottom of the channel and then reversed. Thirdly, if you can see in maybe in a 15-minute chart, you have a nice ending diagonal pattern which is finishing the whole structure. So all this was very interesting, and on the RSI chart there was a marked bullish divergence between this low and this low. You can have a look at it at your leisure, and therefore we now propose that Nifty has made a low and it has reversed, and there is a good chance that this will now take off to the up to complete wave 5 to around 12,000 levels. How do we know that this is going to happen? First, this channel needs to break on the upside. That means that it has to cross around 11,500 levels with force. Secondly, there should be gaps on the upside in the coming days, which will signify a new impulsive trend beginning on the upside. So if that happens, then we are good to go pretty nicely towards 12,000 without much of a problem. However, if this does not happen and this reverses from the current levels and breaks this channel to the downside, then we are in real trouble, because then we would probably think that wave 5 was truncated somewhere over here and we are in for a much larger correction to below 11,000. So the Nifty is at a very important and crucial juncture, and that's why I am posting this video today for all of you to participate, see, analyze and give your observations and maybe profit from it. So I hope that makes sense. Thank you. Bye bye.